Professor T. See, that's what you're supposed to do when you get acknowledged on
camera.
camera.
You're supposed to be friendly.
Yeah.
Quit being a D-dog.
What are you having like a? Are you having like a sugar withdrawal? He's having a sugar withdrawal after 8 times to the chocolate fountain. We just saw that a minute ago on camera.
What?
8 times to the chocolate fountain.
No.
Oh, there's plenty of witnesses.
I only went twice.
Times 4.
But listen, when you hold your tongue under the thing for 5 minutes, that don't count as one go.
5 minutes?
Yeah. You had a straw sucking it out the bottom of the fountain. You're sucking the thing dry.
Way to go, Nate Dogg.
Way to go, Nate Dogg.